Well, hello. It's been a very long time. I realized I didn't upload any videos throughout 2019. That's because 2019 was just a very crazy, busy year. So I will just let you guys know what I've been up to. Yes, I have colored my hair again. So I started this channel because it was meant to be just a channel to talk about like hair, like my hair. My whole life, like, people have always asked me about different things I've done to my hair and how I did it. So I made a channel just to answer all those questions and stuff. And I was also on like a natural hair journey because I was always natural from like birth up until 2012, and then I got my hair colored for prom, and then I just went crazy and dyed it all red. And then after that, I did some blonde at the front and stuff, and I just really damaged my hair. So my first video on this channel is like a video just talking about like natural hair journey and stuff that I wanted to do. And then the videos following is just kind of like my journey. So it was actually crazy. I spent some time yesterday going back and watching those videos, and it's just crazy to see how much like I've changed a little bit, like, you know. And then also my hair. So throughout that time, I have done a few cuts, not necessarily a big chop, but the most I've cut off was in 2017. I cut like 5 or 6 inches off, I'd say, if you really stretch it out. And since then, I just like literally wore wigs and just kept my hair, like, just followed a strict regimen. I tried to just do like a deep condition every 2 weeks. So I would pretty much deep condition my hair, wash it, treat it, whatever, braid it up, put my wigs on and go. And just kind of, from doing that, my hair was able to grow. Like, it's pretty long right now. I can't say it's the longest it's ever been. When I was a child, I'm sure it was like probably down to here if I were to straighten it out, but I didn't straighten my hair often. And then 2012, I think I got it throughout high school. I got it to maybe about here, but now it's gone past that. So yeah, I honestly just wanted to change, so I decided to color it. But now I know how to take care of color treated hair. I really want to go platinum blonde, like most of it. I know it's crazy, but I love the way it looks when it's all curly. So I probably will do that. Maybe I'll experiment with some platinum blonde braids first and see how that looks. But I love like curly platinum blonde and like copper hair. So I'm gonna try some stuff out with that. And yeah, so that's kind of like what I've been up to with my hair journey. It's crazy because when I first started making these videos, I wanted to see, like, I was really excited to see like even like 5, 6, 7, 10 years down the line to go back and watch these videos and just see like how I've grown, how I've changed, and just yeah, to see if I could have stuck with my little natural hair journey, and I did. So I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, like, it's crazy with social media now, with like technology and stuff. Like, you can literally document every single day of your life, and then when you're 100, you could watch all these videos as if it were yesterday. It's a little scary, but it's also pretty cool. So I don't know, I'm not too sure what I think about it. Like, on the fence about it, if it's good or bad. But as somebody who communicates with a lot of people through the internet and online, I can't say I hate it, because it's what helped me meet a lot of fantastic people. So in terms of what I have been up to, I haven't been very active on this channel, just due to the fact that I really started to put more effort into my music channel. So the link is down below. I have another YouTube channel, and that's pretty much where I post any videos of me playing piano and stuff, just for people to see kind of what I do, and also just because there's a lot of songs I like to play, so I just like to post them there. when I first started posting there, Instagram didn't allow you to upload videos more than a minute. So that was a great place for me to post my longer videos and kind of direct traffic to YouTube from Instagram so that they can kind of watch the full-length video. But now Instagram has IGTV, so they allow you to pretty much post videos. I think it's up to 10 minutes long. So I started kind of using that a lot, but I still try to post on my music channel now because it's just another platform for people to see what I do. So I also kind of stopped posting a lot of like music videos even on YouTube over the past year and a half, because I really got serious with music production and just kind of learning how the whole studio kind of vibes work. So throughout university as a keyboard player, like from the day I started uni, I've always been kind of called to kind of play at like gigs and even just kind of go to the studio and add like keys and stuff to people's music productions. But I always in my head, like I would listen to songs and I'd tell myself like, I could remake that, I could do that, you know? I grew up in a family that's very musical. A lot of influences from church. All my brothers played drums, so just even hearing like beats and stuff. I even remember when I was very young, maybe about 8 or 7, 8, not even like 6, 7, 8. I remember like we had this computer room upstairs, and my oldest brother, now I understand what he was doing. He was making beats and stuff. And then my second oldest brother, like throughout high school, I remember him rapping and stuff and writing, experimenting with beats, and just like I learned a lot about music from my older siblings, and then also kind of started learning on my own based on what they taught me. So the idea of making music and beat making and all of that has always been in my head. Like, I'm just happy to finally, over the last year, really get it going and just networking and understanding how the industry works. So I will put a link to all my music down below. I like to post my beats on SoundCloud. And I also do sell some music as well in beats and sample packs, which I upload to a website called BeatStars. And pretty much if you like the music or the beats or the sample packs, you can purchase. And it's a really, really great way to show what you do and also market yourself. So I'm grateful for platforms such as that. Yeah, so that's pretty much like what I've been up to since like 2018, 2019. It's just kind of those years were finally a time to just really start posting more videos and whatnot. So that's what I have been doing as to why this channel has been pretty quiet, but that's okay. I guess sometimes I could post here, but yeah. So yeah, my hair, my fitness, music, I'm really happy with where I'm at with my music and stuff. I've learned a lot. I still have a lot more that I want to learn and a lot more to accomplish. But for now, we're in quarantine, so yeah. There's this thing called coronavirus that just like popped up out of nowhere. And I'm not gonna put all my business here on the internet, but yeah, it really messed up a lot of plans I had for myself. But I'm not looking at it that way, because like you never know why things happen, right? I trust God and everything happens for a reason. So yeah, but coronavirus, like this quarantine, oh my gosh, it's bittersweet, because for the first time ever, really since like leaving high school, I finally feel like I'm able to relax while staying busy and getting things done, because there's always just that extra little time that you wouldn't have, you know, that you have now. And it's just crazy. Like, I think about life sometimes and I'm like, okay, ow, that hurt. I started university in, well, 2012, September 2012, and then, you know, 2013. So I just say 2013. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. I did 5 years of school. And I just remember like always being busy, always working, you know, always having to say no to things because I had to practice and put what I was working towards first, because it's just a different type of craft. It requires a lot of attention if that's what you want to do. And it's funny because like when I finished uni, I was like, okay, we're done. We're gonna just like pick up and move out of Toronto and go like somewhere and bring the music with us. But then after like everything changed, like I just really got so obsessed with music production and how it works. Then I realized, oh shoot, I need to buy equipment. Oh shoot, I still need to work. Oh shoot, I have to learn shit. So it's just like, there's a lot of realizations that came when I finished university. It's like, okay, wait, we're not quite there yet. We still gotta work on other things. It's like school after school, like life school after school. So I'm just happy now in 2020 to like have experienced all of that. And now it's like I have a clear mind, and like as much as quarantine has you like so uncertain about everything, I don't know, I feel like really good about it. It's weird. And yeah, everything has just been so different, but at the same time, like I'm loving it. And I don't know, it's crazy. Like I'm 25 now, and like I feel the best I've ever felt in my entire life. Like just, you know, it's crazy how life is. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to update whoever like has been following this channel, my friends and family, kind of like why this channel has been quiet. And yeah, but it's been for a good cause. Like my music career like has just really become super important to me. And yeah, like I'll put the links down below for you to check out my music channel and check out my music that's online. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna talk about for today. However, I hope you guys are all doing well. And yeah, quarantine is something, but just try to make the best out of it, you know? You never know what good can come out of this. So that is all. I'm going to go now. Peace out. Bye.